my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. Today's video is going to be new year, new closet. As you guys can tell, I've never really done a video like this on my channel, but I was just thinking I really want to organize, get rid of a bunch of stuff, and I find watching organizing and cleaning videos so therapeutic and fun on YouTube. I watch them all the time, so I figured I would try and upload one on my channel if you guys like it. Also, a lot of these clothes I'm going to be getting rid of. Most of them are going to be put on my Depop. Some of them I'm going to give to Goodwill or a thrift store. But a lot of them will also be on my Depop, so you guys can always go follow me on Depop if you guys want to buy some new items that are at a much lower price. I sell things way lower over there, like literally so cheap. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe. You guys can hit the red button down below, and you guys can also hit the post notification bell so you guys can know every single time when I'm posting. But I'm just ready for 2020. Hello, goodbye 2019. Let's get into it. So that did not go far. This is my closet, as you guys can see. It is color coded, so it's red to pink over here, and then it starts going white, and then I've got white, black, and then all my dresses are on this side. I've got sweatshirts and t-shirts over here, but I'm gonna bring you guys on how I kind of sort through my clothes, and so maybe I can give you guys some tips if you guys want to clean out your closet, get rid of a bunch of stuff. This is just kind of like my thought process, and I don't know, I figured it'd be fun to vlog the process, you know? Sorry my closet is like a little small, like this door doesn't open very wide. I like to do this every once in a while, so I have a certain amount of hangers in my closet, a certain amount of room in my closet, and when I start to get low on hangers, I'm like, I gotta get rid of clothes. Instead of buying new hangers, I'm like, let's get rid of clothes. So, thoughts. We're gonna start from color coordination. So we're gonna start red, and then we're gonna go into all the way to black. What I like to do, my number one thing that I like to do is I like to look at each piece and think, have you worn this in the last 8 months to a year? If I haven't worn it in a year, then I will most likely get rid of it because it was probably something I bought thinking it was cute and I would just wear one time and then get rid of it. I try not to do that. Normally I try and just keep my pieces and reuse them in day-to-day life, but if I haven't worn it in a long time and I know that it's not really in my style anymore, I'll just get rid of it. The only way I will normally keep it is, say like I haven't worn it in a year but it's like a winter piece or it's a summer piece, I'll keep it. So like because I'm in winter right now, if I see a crop top that I haven't worn in like 8 months, I'm like, okay, well that's because it's not summer, whatever. So anyway, that's what I do. This dress I've had for a really long time, and I think it's time for me to get rid of it, recycle it. I bought this. I have a lot of red dresses because of my philanthropy for my sorority is women's heart disease, so we wear red for all of our philanthropic events. I think I can get rid of this. This top I liked, but it's not really my style anymore. Kind of over it, kind of done with it. Next up I have, okay, this blazer, like literally I got this and I wore it one time for a photo, and it's a little too small on me. So yeah, sizing, if it doesn't fit, even though you think it will fit, get rid of it, girl. Okay, I have a serious problem with keeping pieces that are sentimental, or if I wore them to an event. This dress I wore, or no, this set, I wore this 2 years ago to my birthday dinner for my 21st birthday. Okay, not 2 years ago, so that was last year. Hello, I'm 22. I wore this for my 21st birthday and I absolutely loved it, and so I really don't want to sell it because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so sentimental to me. But I literally only wore it one time and I'm never probably going to wear it again. I think about wearing the pants every so often, but I'm like, do I keep it? I'm gonna sit on it. I'm gonna think about it. This is another top that is too small. This one's from Polly. It's like a little mint. It's super cute. I wish it would have fit me, but I never got to wear it because it was just way too small. My boobs were literally hanging out. Oh my gosh, I love these pants. These I've never worn. Actually, I wore them one time for a photo, but they're an extra small. They're from the brand Lovers and Friends. They're so fun and cute, but they literally were suctioning my rolls, so that's gonna also go away. See, this dress I haven't worn in a while, like I haven't worn it in a few months, but also it's super spring and super girly, so I'm like, I can keep this because I could definitely wear this in the summer. This has gone through a whole year and I've never worn it again, so that's gotta go. Oh, this is another piece I love. This is a super cute little, like, I have to keep this. Like, look at it. It's like by the brand Majorelle, It's a bodysuit, but it looks like a bustier kind of thing. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I can't get rid of that. Oh, I love this set. I wore this one time for a photo shoot, and it was so adorable. This is from Verge Girl, but yeah, a lot of these pieces, I wear them for photo shoots, so they can probably be recycled now. I've never worn this dress. Isn't this so cute? This is also from Opali. I've never worn it, but it has like an opening by the boobs. I don't know where I would have ever worn this to. That's why I haven't. I feel like I should keep it. It's so nice. It's so cute. I feel like I also have a problem giving away expensive items, or selling like really expensive items. Like, they're important to me and I love them and I want to keep them. Like this dress right here, I've only worn I think twice before, but it's from For Love and Lemons, and it's like really expensive and nice and like such good material, and I just don't want to sell it because of that. I'm like, I have to wear this to something else, even though I really don't know what I would wear this to. This would actually be such a cute New Year's Eve dress. This would be adorable for that, but I can't get rid of things like that. I haven't worn this top in I think 2 years. Like, that's just unacceptable. Why are you here? So many striped tops. Why? This top, too big. I bought it on sale because I was like, whatever, I can fit in a large. All of these are just plain white crop tops. They're essentially all the same thing. Look at this. These are all just white crop tops, but majority of my closet is white, so that makes sense. Okay, I'm bringing you guys down a notch so you guys can see this lower level over here. You can't see it fully, but I'm going to show you guys. This is where I keep all of my bodysuits. And I feel like there was a phase in life where everyone wore bodysuits. Like, it was just like the thing. Like, you just throw on a bodysuit and go. And I never wear bodysuits anymore. I don't really know why. I want to keep a few, but I feel like I'm going to just get rid of literally all my bodysuits because I went through a phase where that was the only thing I wanted to wear. I also don't have enough hangers, so I keep like 7 bodysuits on one. This bodysuit can for sure go. It's super fun, but my boobs are out a lot and I only wore it one time, so yeah. This is another really fun bodysuit, but like, I haven't worn these in so long. I don't know if it's because I just don't see the pieces down here or what, but I haven't worn these all in a long time. I'll keep the basics. I have just a black tank one and then a black long sleeve one, so I'll keep the basic ones, but the really like fancy ones I can get rid of. Okay, I love this dress. It looks like Scooby-Doo. Literally looks like Scooby-Doo, and my mom hates it and she's like, why do you still have that? And I only wore it one time in Hawaii, and I love it so much, and my mom literally flames me for this. You know what, I'm gonna put it in the green because it deserves to stay. It deserves another chance. I don't know why do I feel like I can't get rid of these? Okay, I'll get rid of the pink one. I always end up keeping the black and white pieces and getting rid of all the colored pieces, so that's probably what's gonna happen. As you guys can see, I literally got rid of like no white crop tops. Is anyone else's closet like that? I think of items of clothing so much with like where I went in them. Like this gray top, I remember I wore this on me and Brandon's first date. Like, I remember feeling so cute in it. Like, wow, I thought that was such a look. Like, I don't want to get rid of it. I loved it. I thought it was so cute. Like, wow. I feel like I can get rid of this green bodysuit. I wore this, I think, a year ago. And it was a little too big on me. It's from Free People. It's actually really cute and nice. But again, we're gonna get rid of the color and keep the plain one. Oh my gosh, I've been meaning to get rid of this bodysuit. This guy's gotta go. I only wore this one time. This is from Urban Outfitters. It just doesn't flatter my skin color. As you guys can see, I'm white, and this is white, and it's not cute on my body. All of these bodysuits, these ones from Urban Outfitters, if you have them, you know that these straps are a legit joke. They're so long, and they really don't work for every body type, and so I'm giving these to probably Goodwill. Like, I won't even sell those because I don't want someone to buy something that just doesn't fit them well. I already know it's not going to. The straps aren't good. I love this little tank top though. This is so cute. Wow. The only reason I've kept this bodysuit is because I wore it 3 years ago to Playlist Live. Literally when I used to go to Playlist, I wore this. Like, okay. Next up, I love this bodysuit, but again, I'm kind of just over the bodysuit trend. It's just not my thing anymore. These two bodysuits, I love. I'll never get rid of these. These are by Shadow Hill, and I like these because they are t-shirt bodysuits. So wearing them with jeans, like high-waisted jeans, looks so cute. I used to wear these every single time I went out with leather pants. I would just wear a little bodysuit that's a t-shirt with leather pants and booties, and it was so cute. I'll probably never get rid of those. I love them. This is from Tiger Mist, and it's a bodysuit, but the material of it is like a bathing suit. So I don't know if I should save this for the summertime and like see if it fits well as a bathing suit. These bodysuits are way newer. These are probably in the past 3-4 months. So I will definitely keep all of these. Oh, this bodysuit I love. Look how cute this is. It's this really, really cute lacy pink bodysuit. But I got this in a, what did I get this in? I think I got it in an extra small. Like an actual idiot. Yeah, I got it in an extra small. It is so tight on my body. Like, that is not for me. So that's gotta go. I also have this from Princess Polly, but it's completely sheer, so I don't really know what I thought I was gonna do with this. I don't know. I'll keep it, but I don't know. Okay, I never wear this white top anymore. I used to love it, but I'm kind of over it. I always like to keep little staple pieces like this. Like if you're going somewhere and you're like, oh, everyone wear white, I like to keep one little like white romper or white something. I have different colors. Like I always have a red dress, a little black dress, and a little white dress. Just so if you're going to a certain occasion where they have them, it's always good to just have that prepared so you don't have to buy something. This dress is missing one button on it, so I probably won't sell it because I feel like no one will buy that if it's missing like at least one. But yeah, okay. There's random t-shirts in here that I'm like, why? Why'd you buy this? What is this? Isn't it weird how much your style changes from like 2 months? I like this little top. I feel like that's kind of fun. I bought that for Coachella. Ended up never wearing it to Coachella. Oh, these pieces are cute. Okay, actually, I lied. This piece is from House of CB. It's really nice. It's like a cute little corset, but I bought it in a size too big. I wore it for a photo shoot, but then I can't actually wear it out because it's a size too big, and that's so disappointing. I love graphic tees, and I have, majority of my closet is white t-shirts, so you probably won't see me giving away very many white tees. Like I wear all of these on a regular basis. Actually, this one I bought at Urban, and it does not flatter me very well, so I can get rid of that guy. What else? I love these. I love this set. This is from Tiger Mist. It's leggings. It's matching leggings and a top, but it's too small for me. I get everything a size too small. Like I literally think I'm this big. So this is extra small. It doesn't fit me. Never worn it. Oh my gosh, that was so fast. This is everything. I've got so much more space now. So now, just after I did all of that, I'm gonna just go through one more time, give it a second look, always go through again and just be like, do you really need that? Is that what you wanna wear? Oh, I forgot this top doesn't fit me. It's so cute though. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so that is everything. I'm gonna look through my dresses now. All right, now you guys are much closer. So this is like my excess space. So anytime I get new items like from a haul or I go shopping, I always put the new clothes here so that like I always see, oh, you haven't worn this yet, you should wear that. Helps me separate. So I've got two like newer pieces that I haven't worn out yet in the front. These are the hangers that I have to use. And then now, oh, I have a lot more white tops over here. Let's see, do we need to get rid of any of these? Okay, this gotta go. Oh, okay, I got this. You guys can see I freaking dyed it blue. I washed it with my blue jeans like an idiot. So that was not good. All right, now we got a little less there. This is also where I keep all my blazers. So I've got all these little matching sets back here. Oh my gosh. This romper, this is so cute, but wow, I haven't worn it in 2 years. I wore this to Coachella 3 years ago. Why do I have it? Oh my gosh, look at this dress, guys. How gorgeous is this? I got this almost 8 months ago now, and I never have had a nice enough place to wear this dress. It's so good. It's like, oh, it's so perfect. It's like open on the stomach, and then it has like a really cute low V, and it's just, oh, and it's glittery. I'm obsessed with this. I'll never get rid of it. I have to find somewhere to wear it, but I don't go anywhere. Oh, this is another. I bought this from Pretty Little Thing, and if you've ever ordered from Pretty Little Thing, you know that the length of their pants is actually for slender men. Like this romper was made for slender men. Like it does not fit. I don't understand what they're doing with their pant leg, but that ain't it. getting rid of that. Oh my gosh, my mom asked me for this actually the other day and I told her I sold it. I thought I did. I guess I didn't. Well guys, the closet is cleared out. I don't even want to start on shoes because that's just the English. That's just gonna be a whole nother story. My shoes are an actual disaster. Now what we're gonna do is take the hangers off of all of these clothes and then we're gonna separate them into Goodwill or Depop or like friends and family. So I normally, like, if I'm like, oh, I don't really want to sell this, but I also don't really want to give it away, it's super cute, I'll give it to friends or family. So I'm gonna put this all in separate piles. So let's get organizing. Welcome to my organization. We've got a lot of clothes here, so well, it's all organized. Look at all of the hangers I have now. Now I don't have to buy new hangers. I can just get rid of my clothes. So these are all separated into piles. Now what I'm gonna do is put this into a trash bag so that I make sure I keep everything separated. This is a lot of clothes, so this is probably gonna take me a really long time to even put up on my Depop. So by the time you guys are watching this video, most of the items probably won't be on my Depop, but go follow my Depop because they will be after Christmas. I am not going to be home the whole month of December, so I don't want to put anything up on my Depop that I can't ship out. Like if you guys buy it while I'm gone, no one's going to be able to ship it for you guys. So that is why I am probably not going to list all of these right now because I won't be home until after Christmas. So it's kind of unfair to you guys to buy it and then wait like literally a whole month to get it. So I'm going to just separate it for right now, make sure that I have it locked away so that you guys can buy it. But follow me on Depop so that you guys know, and follow me on Instagram because I always post on there and let you guys know when I'm selling. All right, all of the clothes are nicely tucked underneath my bed in this little trash bag. As I said, I'm keeping them there until I have time to actually post them on Depop. I hope you guys enjoyed this little organizing video. It's super random for my channel, but I wanted to bring you guys along with me for the process because I love these kinds of videos. Also, I hope it inspires some of you guys to just clean out your closet. It's a new year. Get rid of any pieces that hold like bad sentimental value. I guess I can't say sentimental and bad in the same sentence, but just bad memories. Don't let go of the clothes that have bad memories. Get rid of them. Let them go. If it's from a year or a time in your life and you didn't feel good, just get rid of it and just clean it out. And yeah, it just feels really good to have a fresh new closet going into 2020. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to subscribe down below, and you guys can always turn your post notifications on because like I said, it's Vlogmas, so I'm gonna be posting every single day in the month of December. So I hope you guys want to stick around for that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm going to be posting on my Instagram when I post all these clothes, and you guys can stay up to date with me on there because I post all of the time on my Instagram. So I hope you guys want to stay over there. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.